Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we have a 200-gram T-Sky cake called Mo Better. This is 11 shots. We got this from Badaboom over there in Blakeslee, Pennsylvania. This is 11 shots. The effects are, let's see, all with big crackling mine with color dahlia and golden strobe with blue dahlia and golden strobe. The noise is 8 out of 10, the altitude is mid to high, and the pattern is vertical. Check out this artwork, it's pretty nice. There's a little effects right there. Alright guys, we're gonna demo this in a little bit. Thank you for visiting the channel. Remember, if you didn't subscribe, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button. Thank you.